friends, it's Etty from Lincolnwood Library here with a Junior Justice League activity. This is an activity you can do in your home that you can get service hours for. One of the projects we've done in Junior Justice League that's been very successful is dog toys. And so we have made dog toys out of fleece, out of sheets, out of pillowcases, out of t-shirts, out of jeans, out of anything. So you can be really creative about this. You just don't want anything that has like little pieces that will fall out while dogs are playing with them. All you need for this activity is a old t-shirt, maybe something that you haven't worn in a while, something that your caregiver can give you. Make sure to get the permission because you never know if it's their favorite. And then a pair of scissors. And so I have my t-shirt, and then you can cut it up and make it into strips, 4 of them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tie a knot at the top once you line up the 4 strips. Make a little knot at the top. And lots of people do this in different ways. Some people make the dog toy sort of lanyard style. Some people do it like a braid. The stronger the knot, the more it will last. This is a thing you can give to your own pets if you have them, because they need love too. Or down the line, you can donate them to shelter dogs. So when I was learning how to make dog toys, I found an amazing YouTube video that walked me through the process that really made sense to me, and that's what I use. So there's a link below where you can find that video and watch it. It breaks it down the whole process. Whatever way you make it, it's going to be amazing. I hope you'll share your creations with us, share pictures on social media, or email us, let us know. For any questions, if you're having some challenges with making them, let us know. A lot of our Junior Justice League kids are experts at this, so I bet they could pop in and tell us some strategies for what made it work for them. I hope you'll share the amazing things you're doing to improve our community, which ultimately starts at home. And I look forward to hearing all about it. Thanks so much.